This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming battery levels on your iPhone. This shows whether the issue is charging or sensing. Next, power off Bluetooth and then open the case. Visually inspect the lightning port, case contacts, and earbud stems for lint, earwax, or corrosion. Use a dry, soft brush to clear debris. Once done, try swapping the problematic bud into the opposite slot to test the case contact. This helps distinguish a case versus earbud fault in seconds. If the quick clean didn't fix it, perform a focused cleaning using 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab. Gently clean the earbud charging contacts and case wells without soaking. Then, reset your AirPods Pro. In Settings, forget the device, place both buds in case. Close lid for 30 seconds, open and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Make sure to charge the case for at least 30 minutes before retesting the previously dead side. Finally, ensure your iPhone is updated and that AirPods firmware has installed. Sometimes a software mismatch prevents proper charging. If the lightning port looked suspect, test wireless charging. Placing the case on a iPad can reveal a port-only issue. Once reconnected, verify both sides charge and pair correctly. If the problem persists despite cleaning, resets, updates, and wireless testing, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. Make sure to mention your troubleshooting steps to speed up service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.